Welcome to our Distributor How-To series, How to Find the Latest Industry News. Go to the top right hand corner of the page, click on Latest Industry News. You have three main headings to choose from. Select the news article you want to look at and read the news. When you click on an article, the supplier's name will be in the top right hand corner. Click on that and you'll be taken to the supplier profile. Our news is updated daily, and you can even add your own news if you want to. Add the subject, add the text of your article, upload an image, and once you click submit, your article will be published immediately. Thank you for watching.